Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by lining up parts and verifying you have the right screws and tools. This saves time later. First, set the motherboard gently into the case so USB and HDMI ports seat in their openings. Once done, reconnect the main power cable and the drive ribbon to their sockets. Make sure connectors click and cables follow original routing to avoid pinching. Tighten 2 corner screws to hold the board. Leave other screws loose until alignment is confirmed. Next, install the optical drive and secure it with its specific screws so it lines up with the eject slot. This prevents binding. Then place the heatsink over the CPU/GPU, making sure thermal pads or thermal paste provide full contact. Proper contact controls temperatures. Once the heatsink is seated, reconnect its fan header and fasten the fan bracket. Route the fan cable along the original channel so it won't rub. Tighten heatsink screws in a cross pattern to distribute pressure evenly. To finish, lower the top cover and press clips starting at the back, moving forward so clips engage uniformly. This prevents gaps. Install the remaining exterior screws in their labeled positions and power on the console to verify fans spin and it posts before fully tightening everything. If the system fails to boot, power off and reseat the drive and ribbon cables, then confirm the power supply connector is secure. Those 2 checks resolve most assembly issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.